Now, with Chinese President Xi Jinping's recent visit to Seoul and a slew of economic deals freshly inked, it would be fair to say that the economic relationship between South Korea and China has never looked better than it is now. You only need to look at the numbers. Korea's two-way trade with China was well over $200 billion last year, far exceeding the combined value of Korea's trade with the US and Japan. Connie Kim reports on the rapidly expanding economic and business relationship.
Trade volume between South Korea and China is expected to reach a record high this year, and bilateral economic ties are only expected to strengthen moving forward. Trade between the two countries jumped 50-fold from 1992 to last year to $270 billion. China's past investments in Korea were limited to real estate and industries related to the Korean wave, but the landscape is changing. Beijing has diversified its investments into Korea's IT, service, and content sectors, providing a boost to the Korean market. Take Chinese investment company Tencent, for example. It promised in March to invest $523 million into Korea's CJ Games, far exceeding the amount of China said it would invest in Korea for the whole of last year, which was $480 million. However, it's not just these ties that will strengthen bilateral relations.
Experts say the two nations should now expand cooperation in the financial industry to further facilitate trade, investment, and other bilateral economic ties.
The biggest achievement with President Xi Jinping's visit to Seoul was pushing for economic cooperation between two countries. By allowing direct trading between the won and the yuan and allowing Korean companies to directly invest yuan in China's stock and fund market, it will create another yuan market that will facilitate bilateral cooperation.
And in the face of an influx of Chinese money and a bigger business presence in the country, experts say Korea must maintain its source technology and develop a competitive edge in the service industry. Connie Kim, Arirang News.